Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another try on haul. Listen, wintertime, it's getting a little colder over here. So what better way to be nice and warm with some nice cute fuzzies. So some little fuzzy outfits. So today's video is going to be a try on haul of me, of course, trying on two different style fuzzies, but of course different colors in each style. All right, so let's get into it. So these are a couple of fuzzies that I have, right? And I have two different styles, and it's like shorts, and it's like a little crop top and some shorts. So I have like a pink one. I have like a mocha looking color, right, with the top to go with it. I have a white one, right, and this is another style that I got. So this one is a long sleeve one. This is like a black one with a long sleeve, and it comes with the shorts. And the shorts is a little bit more of like a longer shorts, right? And then I have the nude version, or like the cream. I don't want to say cream, but it's like the caramelish version to the black one. So I'm gonna try on the shorts one more, the shorts one with the crop top, and then I'm gonna try on the this style with the longer shorts and the longer sleeve. So we're gonna go in with the white one first. So I'll be back. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little short, right, with a crop top. Really cute, really relaxed, really comfortable. I like it. You know, this is nice. It keeps you warm. This is a different look. It's a different look. It's a different vibe. I like that the back is like crisscross, so that way you can see like the whole crisscross vibe in the back. I think I have it like all twisted or whatever. But yeah, so this is it. It's like a cute little short. You mean like you can tie out the bow however you want or anything like that. So this is what it looks like. This is one. So I have this in two other colors. I got it in the mocha and in the pink. So I'm gonna try on those. That probably the mocha next, right? So this is the style. It's the same exact style, but it's in I have it in three different colors. So I got the white one. The white one looks good on my skin. So we're gonna try how the mocha looks, and I'm just pick which one is my favorite, right? So I'm gonna try. All right, guys. So this is the mocha. So it's really like, it's like, you know, a different color. I like it. This actually really blends in with my skin, you know, but this is nice. It's very loungy. Like I said, you could wear it at home, you could wear it in the house, nice and warm, but it gives you that nice little fuzzy, warm, like change your season kind of feel. But yes, the mocha blends in with my skin. I do like it a lot because of how it blends in with my skin. So there you have it. This is this one. Like this one has the crisscross in the back as well. But yeah, this is nice. Like this is how it looks. This is, you know, this is how it looks. Really cute. Right, so I'm gonna try on the pink next. Alright guys, so this is the pink one. Like I said, really nice loungy vibes, everything nice and cozy. So I like the way the pink, okay, so all three of them actually do look good with my skin tone. I'm actually shocked. I'm shocked, but I'm not shocked. So this is what it looks like. Very comfortable, you know, like I said, very comfortable, loungy, nice little short, you know, very like, it's cute. It's cute. It's a really cute, like fashionable look, you know, but yeah. You know, like I said, you can wear it in the house, make yourself comfortable, but it's like a transition of seasons, you know. So yeah, so this is the pink one. I like the pink one. I like the pink one a lot. I'm not a pink person. If you know me, I do not like pink at all. But this blush, but I would wear it if it looks good on my skin. Only reason why I would wear pink. But other than that, I will not. You won't catch me having a party and saying I want pink. I like rose gold. but I don't like pink. So that's the difference, right? So this is what this looks like. Really nice, comfortable, and a very loungy look, right? All right. So now I'm gonna try on the different styles. So this style has like a longer pants. So if I put it up against my skin, you see it's a longer pant, right? So it's a longer pant. So I'm gonna try the black one first, and then I'm gonna try the caramel, right? All right. So this is the other version. So if you guys can see, this is the other version. So actually I do like this. I like it for the sleeve. I like it for the sleeve. I like it. I like the pant, like the length of the pants. It makes you feel a little bit more comfortable. You understand? It's like I said, it's more relaxing overall. There's no like anything special about the back. You know, it's actually just really a nice, you know, simple but cozy, comfortable look. I like it a lot. Like this, I can makes me want to see if they have more colors. You know, I actually got these a little while ago, just, you know, thinking about if I wanted to do like a little try on haul for it or whatever. Haven't worn them yet, but I had got them for a little while now, and I was like, you know what, let me just see if I should do like a little fuzzy kind of like try on haul concept. So yeah, so this is the black. I'm telling you guys, I actually like this one. I like it. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. Right, so this is the black. Right, this is how it looks. Like I said, it's more comfortable. So if you look, it's a way more comfortable. It's definitely a more like, you know, loungy, relaxing. Is not too like short. Like the other one is cute, but it's like the short's a little shorter. But I like the length of this one. This one I feel a little bit more like, okay, I can deal with this, you know. But yes, so this is what it looks like. Right, this is the black. Right, this is the black. Right, so I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, her and this candle, but I'm fine, guys. Yes, I'm aware. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. And then now I'm gonna try on this color. So now I feel like I'm gonna love this color. So, cause I mean it matches my skin tone. Like if I just put it here, I mean I'm a little darker, but yeah. All right, let's see. All right, so this is the brown one. This is the caramel one. Guys. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, I love the length of the pants. It is comfortable. Like it really has that nice, accentuating, comfortable, fuzzy look. It is not too hot, and it's not like, you know, with like the length of this shirt actually is perfect. Oh my goodness, I love it. I absolutely love it. Like it really is nice. I feel relaxed. I feel like, okay, this is a look, you know. I wouldn't wear it outside, maybe, because the short is like, you know, the short is a good size short, you know, but it's more for like lounging around the house, but a nice fuzzy lounge, you know. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. I love it. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is the fuzzy try on haul. Right, so you guys saw all the outfits that I had. I hope you guys like this video. Of course, there's more where that came from. The next try on haul is a fall look. I'm actually going away, so the next try on haul will be like some fall outfits that I am packing with me to go away. So I'm going away for a week in October. Well, and by the time you guys probably see that video, I probably when it came back already. But yeah, so that will be the next try on haul. I appreciate you guys for continuing to follow me, sharing the love, right? Of course, there's more where that came from. Thank you always. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You guys are awesome. Bye.